What's up, YouTube? So today we're back with another video. Just the other day we was talking about getting another part in. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all real quick, but y'all gonna see it in the thumbnail. But J&L Catch Can. Now this isn't too big of a performance mod, but it is gonna keep the engine healthier. So not looking for horsepower increase, but we are looking for longevity as far as the engine goes. Hey, it's gonna sit right there. It's gonna look good too. All right, so we're gonna get this thing unboxed and we're gonna start pulling all this stuff, this janky stuff out. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and take everything out the box. So we got the catch can right here, as you can see. This is super high quality too. And I'll show y'all the purpose of this. So this baffles the oil that is recirculated from the engine into the intake. The evaporated oil that comes through into the intake that can get into your engine. So what this does is it's still pulling that air through, except it's just filtering the oil out into here. So every time I change my oil, all we'll have to do is just unscrew this and then dump it out. So from there we got 2 hoses and then the brackets for mounting it. Should be pretty simple.
You can show that or no, I'm gonna close my hood.
Is your hood open?
Yes.
Okay, look at it. Is it open?
All the way up, but it's open, yes.
Okay, then go open it.
Come on.
Okay.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Come on. I was gonna splash you, boy.
You was gonna
get the PRE in it, man.
You was gonna do what?
Jump in the puddle.
So this is, I won't say exactly, but this is how it's gonna look inside the engine bay. That's a nice intake too. You need to take it off and clean it. We need to detail your hole.
You need to top off.
Okay.
Come on, bro. What's all we talking about? You don't want all that, bro.
Josh, I need to take it for a ride soon.
Bro.
I've been waiting on that. Hey.
Whoa.
So you gotta stop, bro.
What you mean? It's you.
And
you the problem.
And a Z01.
Okay. That's all you had to say.
Bo said it.
We can just do one too. Yeah, that's cool.
You got a show, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Well, I was saying, what if we tried to do it first and then you run back and get footage? You see what I'm saying? Where the fuck is it? Was this just sitting there? Oh, you pulled it off right there.
Where did that come? Oh, there. It don't even fit that good in there though.
Spit on it.
The wheels? When you gonna put them on?
This week.
You gonna do it?
I'll get them mounted and then I'll, like the tires and wheels mounted, then I'll just put them on myself.
Ding! Hey, hit that bell for what?
Notifications.
Hey! So it's this one right here?
Just 2 of them. She's kind of like...
Oh yeah, that's definitely it. Oh, look at that. Gather, guys. Look, you see it?
You better take it.
It's wet on the tip. Can you figure out, never mind. You busy.
Oh no, what's up?
That's okay.
I got you.
I got it. It's a 12. It's a 13. It's a 13. We knew that.
I said 3 other numbers, though.
You didn't say 3 other numbers, so.
Look at the stickers.
Oh, he's still baggy up.
It's for that vent, bro. You so gay.
Bro, I'm looking. I can't see.
I can't see either. Hey!
Yo.
You tell them kids call the police. I appreciate you for coming over, bro.
Hush, bro. I'm getting bit.
Do you have some of what was in that bag?
Ain't nothing in there.
Oh, it was some of that vent, bro. Hold it. Gotta hold it. Come on.
I'm holding it.
Okay. Pull it up. Make it straight. Bend.
I can't see it from over here. God dang it. You the one don't be pulling it hard. It won't go.
Hey, Josh.
Hey, Trey. Oh.
Spider-Man.
Wish you'd hit me with some of your web.
What? Wow.
Sticky web.
Sticky. So like,
What's up?
Go to Hollywood with that.
Yes. I'm sorry, but it just don't feel like it's on there tight, if I'm being honest. Dang. All right, so come in here real quick.
Hey, Bo.
So pretty much, I'm gonna move this real quick. I messed up pretty bad and cut it too short, so I'm gonna run the advanced. But other than that, that's how it looks for right now. So I'm gonna put the intake back in and we're gonna give it a little start. So it's currently the next day and everything's pretty much held up pretty well. See?
Oh,
it's really not bad. I didn't get a new hose. So we're gonna get a couple clips. We're gonna ride around, have some fun. And this dude, Bo, just got his new tires through on the back. Got the Mickey Thompsons. Them things are mean, brother.
Yeah, we're gonna see if we're gonna hook a little bit better now.
Facts. And he's gonna end up posting a video on his channel. And I'll link all the information in the description below. He's got the 360 on the dash, so we're gonna get some good pulls. We're gonna get some good clips. We're gonna have a lot of fun. I hope y'all enjoy. If you made it this far, be sure to smash the like button. Drop a comment, let me know something, and then be sure to hit that bell for notification. Everything's looking smooth under here. If you didn't see the intake video, last video, go check it out. We had a lot of fun, had a lot of good laughs. And then this thing's sitting in here looking pretty now. You good back there, Bubble Buddy? Oh my gosh, that's loud. You need one more? Hit it again. Hit it again. Hey, cuties. Oh. What's up, buddy? What's goody? What's goody?
I'm dirty.
Oh, you good? Hey, buddy.
Fancy seeing you here.
Oh, how coincidental. This life is good, and it keeps getting. Oh, I just had to ruin the fun. Take the hit. All right, it's been just a day since we installed this, and we're gonna check. I can already see some of the. Just a day. Oh my goodness. So that's the results right there. I mean, you see just under a day or two at max what this will do for your engine. So that's all for today's video. Battery's running low, so I gotta make this quick. Y'all be sure to like, comment, subscribe. And that's a wrap on this one. So thank you guys once again. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace, man.
Cruise in a spaceship, take you to some places so you know that I ain't frontin'. She said I ain't famous, I just want the money.